Kaveri, tell me, how are you doing? And exactly अभी आपको क्या चीज busy रख रही है या फिर क्या कर रही हैं आप?
What is keeping me busy right now? It's very difficult because abhi just show end hua hai, and it feels like, you know, I'm already missing my people, my show, and then also you have to look for another work. So I'm right now giving auditions, doing meetings, and also clicking some good pictures.
Okay.
That's it. That's all I'm doing.
Right. Okay. We also recently heard that you fly to, I don't know whether it's true or not, but you fly to Hyderabad for some shoot. So was it for some shoot, or you just went there for, you know, some personal reason? What was it basically?
It was for a shoot that was just for a day shoot. It was an ad shoot for one day.
Okay. Okay.
That was the first time I was going to Hyderabad. I was very excited, and the team was also known to me, so I posted videos also and stuff like that.
Yeah. Okay. We also, saw pictures and videos of your birthday celebrations, and going with the pictures, you know, one can assume that you people really enjoyed. So, just wanted to know. I mean, was it something which you people, chalo, let's plan, or was it something which was already planned? You know, what was it
So
exactly?
it wasn't planned at all. Actually, I had a shoot on my birthday, which got postponed. And then I was clueless because I wanted to celebrate my birthday, but since work had come up, so I thought that work is more important than birthday could be celebrated any other day. But all of a sudden this happened, and then I was clueless. And I also had told in my previous interviews also that I wanted to meet everybody on my birthday. I wanted a
Right.
get together. So it was very abrupt. Everything was planned very abruptly. So
Who planned? Who
whoever
came up with the idea? You, or was it someone else?
It was like we all were planning to meet
Okay.
together someday, but it happened to be on my birthday. So I thought it's my birthday. I called everyone up. I was like, let's meet. It was
Right.
not a party kind of a thing.
Right.
It turned out to be look like one because ambience was amazing of that place. The music was good, and we all danced and we chatted. We had fun. We ate.
Right. Right.
So it just happened. Nothing was like planned as in party jaisa, but whoever could make it, since it was a
Right.
really short notice for everybody and everybody was busy somewhere or the other. So whoever could make it, they came.
Right,
And
right. How was it meeting, you know, these people were like your family, you know, like for 1 year. So how was it meeting, you know, although a few days apart, but कैसा रहा सबको मिलना?
obviously, हम सब एक दूसरे को बहुत मिस कर रहे थे, and it had been थोड़ा टाइम भी हो गया था, एक हफ्ते हो गए थे, and हमें मिलना था क्योंकि we are so used to each other, meeting each other on the set, seeing each other's face, saying good morning every day to each other, but अभी हो नहीं रहा था और आगे होगा भी नहीं शायद साथ में together. So we all were sad, and so it was very good to see each one of them, and जो नहीं आ पाए हम उनको भी बहुत मिस कर रहे थे.
Yeah, actually,
And
fans really missed, you know, Shahir being a part of the whole celebration because you three were there, you know, Riya, Avinash, you, and Shahir
yeah,
was not there.
yeah, because he couldn't make it because he was on
Yeah.
a shoot or something. He was shooting for something, so he couldn't make it.
Okay.
But yeah, we missed him too.
Right. Okay. So, Kaveri, tell me honestly. I mean, ये रिश्ते हैं प्यार के ending. It was, you know, of course, it was a surprise for you, for the audience, because the show was doing great. You know, in every sector. So, tell me honestly, when you know you first got to know, if I'm not wrong, Rajan sir told you about the show ending. What was your honest reaction when you first got to hear? Because as an actor, you always plan कि चलो daily soap पे तो आराम से, you know, इतने साल तो चलने ही वाला है. So, what was your honest reaction?
Obviously nobody was expecting this. Sir had called us on the set. We thought he wanted to share something, some good news maybe, but it turned out to be a bad news for us, for everybody on the set, because everybody's so attached to the show. So obviously for me it was like a shock, and I couldn't control my emotions. I just ran to my room, and first of all I cried because I wasn't expecting this. And then I obviously consoled myself. One has to come to peace with what has already happened. So there's nothing we can change about it. So we have to come to terms with it. So somehow I understood, and जो भी दिन बचे थे shoot के, we tried to make the most, as many memories as we could.
Yeah, yeah. Kaveri, what do you miss most about Kuhu, the character which you played, for almost a year or maybe more than that, and इतने सारे layers, shades थे. सबसे ज़्यादा क्या miss करेंगे इस character को लेके? And if I may ask, इस character ने how it has helped to grow you as an actor?
Kuhu, obviously, everybody is missing Kuhu, and even I am missing Kuhu, being Kuhu actually on sets, because Kuhu is someone who is exactly, I mean, she's so fun-loving. She lives in the moment. She doesn't worry. She has taught so many lessons to everybody, and which actually, when during difficult times, also I realize sometimes I go back to those episodes and I listen to the dialogues she said, and then I get inspiration from her. Kuhu is my inspiration, and I miss being Kuhu, miss being that bubbly self of mine, and without thinking, you can say anything, you can just speak your mind without being scared of like being judged by others.
Right, right,
So
right.
I absolutely miss being that person, because in real life, obviously, there are a lot of limitations.
Of course, of
You have to
course.
think what the other person and how the other person is going to react. But Kuhu was just bindas, and I miss being her.
Right,
And
right.
obviously, I miss my curls a lot. I
Yeah.
miss my curly hair.
Yeah, okay. Kaveri, if I may ask, what was the most difficult scene as Kuhu, which you have shot till date, and according to you, it was very challenging, and it did give you some thoughts. Anything you would like to say?
For me, all the scenes are, I take each scene equally challenging. Be it a small scene, be it a big scene, because it's my first work, and obviously I want to give my best, and I want to thrive for excellence in every scene. So for every scene, each and every scene, I used to give a lot of thought, and the most difficult one, I think recently बहुत सारे scenes जो भी हमने shoot किए, I think one of the most challenging ones was when Kunal tells Kuhu ki surrogate bano, and how she
Right.
reacts, and I think in recent times that was one of the scene which was not exactly which was challenging, because a lot of different emotions had to come across. So that was challenging, but overall I enjoyed doing it, and because that's a part of my job, that's why
Right.
I love acting, because it throws so many challenges each and every day in each and every scene. So I take each and every scene as a
Right,
challenge.
right, right. What was the best track according to you? May not certainly just for Kuhu, but if I talk about the whole show, this was the best track. You loved the way your character was going, or maybe the chemistry of Kuhu with all the characters. So, what was that one track of the show? If you have to pick your favorite one,
My favorite track. It's very difficult, yeah. Because initially when we started, it was all on a fun zone, and Kuhu was at her best of Kuhuness she could be. So I like that part also. And then when after her marriage and all those sudden jhatkas she get, shocks which she came across, that Kunal doesn't love her and stuff like that. Then she had to be a maturer version of herself. That was also very nice. I think all the tracks, the
right?
track wherein she used to fight with Mishti and then she patches up again. I think all the tracks are my favorite. I can't choose
Right.
one. It's very difficult.
Okay. Kaveri, now that you look back past, when you got the role, the character of Kuhu, and when you people met, everyone, Rupal ma'am, Shahir, Riya, Avinash, Ritvik, everyone, and now it's been 1 year and 1.5 year. थिंकिंग बैक, डू यू एवर थॉट कि ये जर्नी इतनी खूबसूरत होगी, इतने अच्छे दोस्त बन जाएंगे कि एक दिन आप अपना बर्थडे उनके साथ सेलिब्रेट कर रहे होंगे जब फैमिली आपके साथ नहीं है? सो हाउ वाज योर होल जर्नी ऑफ ये रिश्ते प्यार के व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर कैरेक्टर और विद योर को-एक्टर्स?
जर्नी वाज जस्ट अमेजिंग एंड मैंने सोचा था कि जर्नी वंडरफुल होगी बिकॉज जब गुड पीपल मीट आपको पता चल जाता है फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग दैट यू गोना वर्क विद सच वंडरफुल एक्टर्स, वंडरफुल पीपल, वंडरफुल ह्यूमन बीइंग. So obviously journey has to be great and trust me, it was such a smooth journey. There was no ups and downs in our personal relationships because everybody was so good and like they were so cooperative, they were so supportive, and we didn't feel like कि हम अपने family members के साथ नहीं काम कर रहे. We didn't feel like कि हम strangers है from the very beginning. And this bond actually grew with time, with the number of scenes we performed, and each and every person, each and every character shared a different sort of bond with each character. So off screen also there was similar sort of bonding, and the journey has been really amazing, and I'm going to cherish it since it's my first show also. I mean, firsts are always special. I don't know आगे क्या होगा, कितने shows करूंगी, कैसे लोग मिलेंगे, but for my first show it was a very good start, a very positive start I would say, because I was surrounded by positive people all the time.
Right. You got a bro in this show, of course, in the name of Shahid. Rhea and your bonding is no less than sister or best friend, because we visit sets and we have seen. So how much are you going to miss Shahid and Rhea? I would say, because I think इन दोनों के साथ आपके max to max scenes इनके साथ हुए हैं, तो कितना ज़्यादा miss करेंगे इन दोनों को?
मैं इन दोनों को actually miss तो बहुत करूंगी. I will miss them more as Mishti, more as bro, because in personal life we keep meeting each other. So but I'll miss them as Mishti, as bro, and I'll miss those chemistry which we used to bring on sets with our fights, with our love scenes, with our patch up scenes. So I'm going to miss them all, and obviously the bonding between the character is very special in its own way, and it cannot be compared to our normal lives and the normally when I meet Rhea and Shahid. So yeah, that's like a different world altogether. This is a different world, so I'm going to miss that world.
Right. Okay, a lot has been, spoke about, because, you and Ritvik's pairing and Kunal and Kubas for a long time. But, unfortunately, Avinash came, and his journey as Kunal was not that for a long time. So, how was it been working with Avinash? Although it was a very short time, but, your chemistry did, actually stand out. So, how was it working with Avinash?
Working with Avinash was fun. Actually, he is very fun-loving person, and so am I. So it didn't feel like I'm shooting with a stranger, because from the very first scene we gelled up so well, and he's also very outspoken. I'm also very outspoken. So we spoke our minds and we discussed the scenes, and it was fun. And we personal life में भी वो when the actor is very supportive, so chemistry बन जाती है. So which you've seen on screen. So he's a wonderful actor, I would say, and he picked up so quickly the character of Kunal, and he brought his own flavor to it. So yeah, he was very good, I would say.
But as an actor, did you find any difficulty, because your and Ritvik's on-screen pairing was really loved by the audience, and then suddenly there was a change. And of course, Ye Rishte Pyar Ke was also famous for its love story, be it Mishbir or Kuku. So as an actor, wo difficulty tha transition mein, or was it a smooth ride for you? The transition of that.
Initially, it was very difficult for me to accept someone as Kunal. To be frank, it was difficult to accept, but once I accepted that fact that okay, this is the new Kunal, and I have to shoot my remaining scenes with him. So I think that acceptance, once that acceptance was there, I think उसके बाद तो सारी चीजें was very smooth. Everything went very smooth.
Okay,
but obviously,
yeah, please.
No, I forgot.
Okay, okay. There's also this rumor. It's not a very big rumor, but we are hearing that Ye Rishte Pyar Ke might come up with a second season. Okay, there's this talk. So how much truth is that, or you're not aware about that? Anything which you can tell to your fans?
See, I've also heard rumors about it, but I don't know any, like, I don't have a particular source where I can give you a confirmed news that Ye Rishte Pyar Ke 2 will come, because it was a very fresh show, the kind of show which usually is not seen these days
Definitely,
on
yeah,
TV.
yeah,
So because of those reasons and because of the changes in time slots and whatever be the reason, the show had to shut down. So I think it's just a speculation that it might come up with season 2 because people loved it so much and people still want all the actors to be there and they want a season 2. So makers might think about it, but I have no confirmed news.
right, right, right. So, Kaveri, now what next? We are in a very
Mm.
fortunate, situation when it comes to entertainment industry, because OTT, I mean, the digital
Yeah.
thing has opened a lot of platforms, for talented actors, what are your upcoming platforms, and ऐसे characters या आप करना चाहेंगी, ऐसा कुछ भी जो plan है आपका?
See, I don't plan much. I am very open to all sorts of platforms. I am open to TV, I'm open to web, open to films. Wherever I get a good opportunity, I'm gonna grab it. I won't make
Right,
a mistake of losing it.
right,
So जहाँ से भी आएगा, I'll take up. I'll obviously I want to do better than what I did before, but uh, that's my whole motto. But I haven't planned कि मेरे को ऐसा character करना है वैसा करना है. But yeah, I would like to play someone like a very strong character. I would like
right.
to play like a warrior kind of thing. But that's my idea. But let's see what comes up.
Right, right. And any message you want to give to all the Kuhu fans or Kuhu Nal or Kuhu, who really loved you. I think birthday पे भी कुछ trend भी हुआ था, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah,
yeah,
yeah. I've always said this, that I'm blessed to have such mature understanding and amazing fan base, and in such a less time, they just ship me. They also shipped me with Ritwik equally as
right,
they shipped me with Avinash. So they are so understanding. They are so mature. They come up with such amazing, meaningful VMs and write-ups that even I am amazed that they understand the character so well, and they are so mature. So I'm just so grateful to you guys for always showering so much love to me. I'm nothing without you guys. You all know
right,
that, and I love you all.
right, right.
Please keep supporting me in
Yeah.
my future projects as well.
Right, right. Lastly,
Yeah.
Kaveri, we just have some few fans' requests which we wanted to know. So they
Yeah.
have given some co-stars name. We just have to reveal what are you missing the most about this particular co-star. It's just that thing. Okay. So the
Mm.
first name, what are you missing most about Rupal ma'am? And also the one question, because she is काफी ज्यादा सीनियर है, तो कभी ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि
Mm.
इंटिमिडेट हुआ, या फिर इतनी बड़ी एक्टर एंड आपके भी सीन्स लास्ट साथ बहुत ज्यादा थे उनके साथ, तो कभी
Mm.
भी ऐसा कुछ सिचुएशन है कि थोड़े आप नर्वस थे, एनीथिंग व्हिच यू वांट?
She is someone who improvises a lot, and during rehearsals, matlab during take she'll improvise from her
जी,
bit, and I think that is something which we as an actor should be always be prepared to, क्योंकि सामने वाला actor कुछ भी improvise कर सकता है. We need to react
जी,
accordingly. So I think that is something which did not intimidate me, but always kept me on my toes.
या,
So I miss that thing about ma'am.
ओके. रिया?
About Ria, I miss that she used to laugh between the takes. Always a, like emotional scene, and then she used to end up laughing.
राइट,
So
राइट.
I miss that. I miss that fun side of Ria.
या, ओके. व्हाट अबाउट त्रिशा?
I miss that bond with which was between me and Trisha, like the personal bond.
राइट,
Um, yeah.
या, ओके. अविनाश?
Avinash, all those fun and musty and friendly banters, abruptly throwing water on each other. Like me throwing water on him, he making some random videos and posting on internet. So all those friendly banters and things like that.
Okay. Last three, Shahid.
With Shahir, I miss deep, meaningful talks about life.
Okay. Ritvik, yeah, sorry, I interrupted. Yeah, please continue.
With Ritvik, I miss him.
Yeah.
Because he was not a part of the show end mein, so obviously I missed him only. So.
Right. Okay, and lastly, Sangeeta.
Oh, I miss her dialogue delivery so much. Mara Mari Re, oh my mother. I love to hear. I would love to hear her say those dialogues again.
Right. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So thank you so much, Kaveri, for taking out time for joining us. Just the last thing we wanted to ask, fans are really, they're still upset, that the show khatam ho gaya hai, and are also disappointed. They have said many, things. But anything which you want to say them, because of course they are disappointed, they are angry. But unko agar kuch कहना चाहेंगे, आप तो क्या कहेंगे?
They are very maturer than I am, I would say, because I cried. I'm sure they must have also been like, they are very attached to the show, and it was a equal setback for them as well, to not see their loved ones again on screen, those lovely characters which they always cherished and learned so much from. So all I would like to tell them that हर अच्छी चीज बुरी चीज कहीं ना कहीं जाके खत्म होती है, उनको होना ही है. कुछ चीजें जल्दी खत्म हो जाती है, कुछ चीजें थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, but then the show has to end and has to begin somewhere again. So let's hope कि आगे जो कुछ भी आने वाला है वो अच्छा होगा, and you will get to see your favorite actors again on screen, everyone. So just hope for the best. And
yeah. Okay, lastly, anything कुछ cool style में अगर बस हमें bye कहना चाहेंगे, anything, because अब तो हमसे जूने एपिसोड्स ही दे सकते हैं, मगर आपकी तरफ से अगर कुछ cool style में
ये cool style अपने फैंस को ये कहना चाहती हूँ, वो जो डायलॉग था कुहू का, कि लाइफ में कुछ भी होता है उसके बारे में उसे बड़ा सीरियसली लेते हैं, पर बाद में जाकर सोचते हैं कि हम भी कौन सी छोटी सी बात पे रो रहे थे.
Okay. So thank you so much, Kaveri. Thank you so much, and I really wish कि हम आपको बहुत ही जल्दी एक अच्छे से प्लेटफॉर्म पे देखें with a very strong and a very good character which will justify your talent.
Thank you so much, Kinnuri. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Lovely
Take care.
to have Bye. You. Bye.
Hi, this is Kaveri Priyam and you are watching me on Glitz Vision USA.